Welcome my friend and sister. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Bismillah walhamdulillah wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qul huwa Allahu ahad, Allahu samad. Lam yalid wa lam yulad wa lam yakun lahu kufuwan ahad. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قل أعوذ برب الفلق من شر ما خلق ومن شر النفاسات في العقد ومن شر حاسد إذا حسد بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قل أعوذ برب الناس ملك الناس إله الناس من شر الوسواس الخناس الذي يوسوس في صدور الناس من الجنة والناس.
Peace be upon you. In today's video, we will talk about how to protect our hearts from the whispers of Satan during worship. The heart is the center of faith and worship, and therefore we must protect it with all seriousness from obsessiveness and distraction during the performance of worship. First, protect yourself and your family and defeat Satan by reciting Surat Al-Falaq and Surat Al-Nas, as these two surahs are considered a strong shield to protect against the devil, witches, and envy. He does not like to hear this from you. You read them in the morning and evening to add. Secondly, you can use the strongest fortifications to expel the devil from your mind if you encounter whispering while reciting the Qur'an. Now, seek refuge in God and stay away from being preoccupied with these obsessions. This is because Satan wants to make you feel that you do not get the reward, and this is often just an obsession aimed at preventing you from reading. Third, you must understand that Satan uses multiple ways to manipulate us. He wants us to reduce worship or even prevent it completely, so we must be careful. And we continue to perform acts of worship even in the presence of distraction or lack of humility, because abandoning worship is what Satan seeks. Fourthly, we must know that Satan whispers to and for those who worship a lot. If you pray and read regularly, his goal will be to distract you and keep you away. About worship, so the more you worship, the more important it is to maintain your focus. He says, God Almighty, he said, then by your might I will mislead all of them except your sincere servants among them. We must remember that the whispers of Satan do not. We must always seek refuge in God and confirm our faith that there is no God but God and Muhammad is the messenger of God. We must not give in to these obsessions or worry about them. If we follow these tips and fortify ourselves with the Quran and worship, we will be able to protect our hearts from the whisperings of Satan and remain focused on our worship so that we may remain steadfast in faith and piety. We must avoid the whispers of Satan at all times. I hope you have benefited from these tips. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video if you like it, and leave a comment with your questions or inquiries. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, and we wish you continued success in your life. See you in our next videos, and in conclusion, don't forget subscribe and share this video with your loved ones so that we can all work to spread goodness and knowledge.